Hi, I've heard a story wherein there is a farmer who is very compassionate, very loving, caring person. He'll be roaming around his garden and he observes that butterflies come out of the cocoon with a lot of struggle. Okay, at that tender age, it finds it very difficult to come out, but it puts all the energy and struggle to come out. So he thinks, why don't I help the butterflies to come out of the cocoon easily? So he'll take a scissor and makes that hole little bigger so that it can come easily. And he does it for one of the butterflies. And the butterfly comes out much easier than what it used to do. He waits, he gets excited, he gets very happy that he helped a butterfly, and he waits for a few days to see that butterfly growing, getting beautiful colorful flowers, getting colorful feathers, and fly in front of him happily, joyfully, and so on. He waits for a day, 2 days, and so on. But what he sees is the wings never develop. The body will be very bulky and there's no wings, and it struggles to move, and within some time the butterfly dies. It loses its life. So actually what would have happened was when the struggle for the butterfly happens to come out of that cocoon, in that process the body fluid gets converted or transformed into feathers, which grows colorfully, healthy, which helps the butterflies fly happily, easily. But in this case, it wouldn't have gone through that struggle. So it would have come out very easily, which has caused a hindrance to that process of development of wings. So why did I talk about this story? I hear my friends, colleagues who are fathers who generally say, I don't want my kids to undergo the pain what I have undergone at some point in time. So for that, they try to earn more money, they take insurance, and they send kids in cars to school. They ensure that the kids don't fall. They ensure that the kids don't struggle. But will it really help? Without that struggle, can a baby or a kid grows to be a matured adult? Can they learn handling the situations without going through that struggle? But what I feel through which we can relate to the butterfly story is, for every person to grow, for every animal to grow, that struggle is needed. It's part of the nature. And also the nature is so smart that it would have created the struggle such a way that it gives that small struggles in the initial days of life, which will make the organisms learn from that and be ready to handle the bigger situation. But if we avoid that small struggle, they will not develop that ability to handle the bigger situations, and they eventually may not solve many of the problems that life throws at them. So I feel the love is very important, that love is appreciated, but it should not become a hindrance to the kids to grow to the next level. So what I feel is, it's better to tell the kid, you go through your life the way you can. You fall, you get up, you struggle, you go through the natural phenomena of life. I'm there in the background. In the worst case, I'm there. I'll pitch in and help you. Until then, I will not interfere in your day-to-day life. I will not go extra mile to avoid you facing the problem. That's what takes them to the next level and become a stronger, better person physically, mentally, emotionally, financially, and in all aspects of life. So you let me know what you feel about this. You write in comment what is your experience, how much of struggle you avoided for your kid, and what is the consequence of it. Let's learn together. This is Ravi, a father and a director in Tots and Moms.